I'm back, friends. In a different state, in a different place, but starting up the live streams very shortly. Come and join me. Have a look at this image. I'm preparing this for a big real estate firm. And between you and me, it's of an apartment in Sunshine Coast. But there's no text on the image. You have to stare at it and use your brain. Let's see how the state-of-the-art model goes with staring at this image with us. This is Claude 3 Opus by Anthropic. Here's my prompt. You're a seasoned Australian real estate agent with years of experience. Look at the attached image. Using details from it, write a vivid and accurate listing. The image is just called image.jpg. I don't want it to cheat by looking at a different file name. And here it goes. Claude 3 Opus. I've estimated this at 2 trillion parameters, and it's noticing all the things that I noticed when I stared at this floor plan. Again, we didn't tell it was a floor plan. We just said stare at this image and give us some nice output, and it really has. Check out this little selection here. The generous master suite boasts a spa-like ensuite bathroom and ample walk-in closet, 2 additional bedrooms. So this one's the master bedroom, spa-like bathroom, walk-in closet, and this is the 2 additional bedrooms with access to that second bathroom. They kind of share that full bathroom. Outrageous. AI has very good vision now. I'll see you throughout May 2024 for a bunch of live streams where we're going to play with all sorts of prompts, LLMs, and AI in general. See you soon.
Did you see the memo about this?
Yeah, I have the memo right here.
Superintelligence is unfolding at lightning pace. Read my industry-grade analysis of AI that matters as it happens in plain English, the memo.
Yeah. Did you get that memo?
Yeah, I got the memo.
Get the inside look as AI models are embodied into humanoids. AI's IQ increases to nearly perfect, and bleeding-edge use cases expand to the entire world.
Yeah. Didn't you get that memo?
Editions are sent to subscribers at Fortune 500s, major governments, and people like you. Lifearchitect.ai/memo.
I have the memo.